Hi, it's Steve from PartSelect. Today we're going to show you how to change the start switch on your dryer. It's a really easy job. All we're going to need is a Phillips screwdriver. Let me show you how it's done. Before we begin this repair, the first thing we're going to want to do is disconnect the dryer from the power supply. If it has a cord on it, simply pull it out of the socket. If it's hardwired, we'll need to find the breaker and turn that off. Next, we're going to remove 4 Phillips screws across the top of the console. Next, we're going to tilt that console forward, just lift up on it slightly. That will expose the switch from the back side, and there's a little metal locking tab. We'll depress that, turn the switch counterclockwise from the back. We'll just pull the knob off, and then we can remove the switch. We'll take the 2 wires off the switch. We'll take the new switch. We'll install those same 2 wires in the same position. Insert that switch into the opening, rotate it clockwise until it snaps into place. Tilt the console back, replace the 4 Phillips screws. Install the knob, make sure that the little metal retainer is still inside of the knob and not stuck on the old switch. We're ready to reconnect the power to the dryer, and our repair is complete. And that's just how easy it was. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your repair.